I'm going to install PI hole on the EC2. Here the PI hole is used for the to stop the tracker and the ads in your home network or network, whatever network you are using. You can use this to protect yourself from the being tracked or being the applications which are collecting data from your system or advertising on your system. You can stop those things through PI hole. This is a open source tool. To install it on EC2, I will first create one instance. So this is a free tier enabled instance. I am going with this. So let me create a key pair first here. PI hole. Okay, so it's created the PM file. I already downloaded it. Now I am going to select the security group. I have security group previously already. Okay, so there is no security group which is saying it's default. So I'll create the security group. Allow HTTP SSH, allow HTTPS, and allow HTTP. These things. And storage, I am saying take 12 GB of storage. Okay, so GPT-2 or GPT-3, you can consider anyone. GP3 is a bit faster, so I am taking this. And next is then launch the instance. Once the instance is launched, I will go to this launched instance and check it's still pending. So I will select and get this IP, and I will try to access the instance through put. Okay, so I downloaded the git bash. Now I'm changing the permission of the PM file. PI hole PM. I change the permission. Now I'm copying this path here. SSH-i PI hole @ this IP. Yes, and I got the access. First I will update the system. And next is I will copy this installation file and I will paste it here and will run this. So it checked all the required things and it started installing the PI hole. It's a bit fast. It will ask me for information like what you want to how you want to configure. So I am passing one information one by one. I'm going to use the Google DNS here, like as my resolver, internal resolver. First of all, my routers will be resolving through this PI hole, and PI hole will be resolving internally through the Google DNS. So the default unified host list, I want to add it from Steven Black. That is a block list default given by the PI hole. I want to install the admin interface as well, and yeah, log the query, show everything. I want everything to be shown in the admin panel. So it started installing Lightspeed, PHP, PHP CGI. These all things are being installed here. After the installation, it will prompt me with the username and password of the admin account. I think the installation is over, and creating group, creating user PI hole, detected these things all done, and PI hole is enabled. And this is what I got, like the admin account I have got. So what I will do, I will paste this. Sorry, I will copy this IP and I put like admin. So my PI whole admin console should appear here. Yep. So it appeared here, and the password given here, if it allow me to copy, then it's fine. So not allowed. So what I will do, I will simply say okay. Installation. My installation is complete, and there is nothing it displayed like the I can check out the password here if it allow. Okay, let's see if it allow me to check the log. So not showing here. So what I will do, I will go simply here and go to the forget password. I will copy this command and I will paste it here. So it asks me for new password. I will say my new password is set. I have given 2-3 character password. So if I log in here, this is how PI hole is installation is completed. If I want to see the settings and all, these are the settings. Here it says like this is the DNS being used here, and allow only to local request. If permits to, if I allow on the all origins, if I permit on the all origins, it will start serving on the all origins as well. So suppose I want to use this PI hole as my DNS. So what I will do, I will go to control panel and I will go for the network and sharing center. Here I see like this is connected in the beat host. So let's see what can be done here. I will go to properties and I will go to properties and I will say like I want to use this DNS as a DNS if it's allow. Okay. So I think here I have to do one modification. Launch wizard 1. Here I need to allow one port DNS from all the now again I will come here and I will refresh it. No client active, no client is there, and details is DNS. IPv4 DNS is changed here, and I will reconnect my system to this network. What I see, so still here no client listed here. This device should come up here. Let's see. So you can see now my device is active here with this is my IP, public IP. If I see here, this is my public IP. What's my IP? Okay, so This is my public IP. IPv6 I have disabled because it was resolving through the IPv6 and it was not going to this point. It's taking a bit time. Let me check with some other. Okay, so it says like IPv4 is here. If I search that IP, if you can see, this IP is my system's IP and it's coming up here. If I go to the dashboard and I see like what are domain, you can see here what's my IP. I have used this domain to search it here, and what are the domains I am using here. It's showing like this. So this is how you can add your DNS filtering with the help of PI hole. This PI hole can run on any of the system like Ubuntu system with low configuration, or PI hole can run on the Raspberry Pi, small Raspberry Pi with some storage. It can run. So here are few things. Again, I will suggest here to go through. This is the domain system. If you configure like this, like you configure your DNS server like this. So what you can do, you can add your custom domains here to resolve to your system, like your system will be resolved here, like your system will be as a server, and whoever connected to your DNS will be able to access your system. Some web application is running or something is running for the client demo purpose and all, this can be accessed. The audit section, this is the blacklist which currently installed by default. If I want to install more blacklist here, I can go with the next DNS GitHub. Just need to search next DNS GitHub. Here you will find like a lot of privacy blocker and block list. Suppose you can get the CNAME clock block listing. This next DNS has 18 repository. From there you can get a lot of the uh, bad domains list to block on your PI hole. So suppose I want to block the privacy URLs. I want to block like torrent trackers or torrent websites. Torrent websites, here it's given a list of torrent websites here. So what I will do, I will click on the raw and it will open this URL. I will simply copy this URL and will come up here and will add in this new audit list, torrent URLs, and I will add it here. Once you add it here, this will be added. You can create the different groups. You can select the different groups you have created for your client systems and all, like client system, like the other systems. You can put it as a group, and you can add the different system in different groups and all, and you can start blocking it here. So once you add this, you can see a question mark here because this is not fetched yet. So what I will do, I will go in the tool and upgrade the gravity. I will update the gravity. So when the gravity will be updated, it says like parse 1260 extra domains, exact domains from this URL, torrent URL, and it's added to the blacklist. So you can see like this blacklist domain audit count increased, and if I am accessing anything, it get blocked, like these are the advertisement things and all, these are being blocked. So I was not aware of this, like my system is sending some traffic to this domain, to this URL. I was not aware of this. Now I can see like what are the things my system is sending, and what are things this the DNS this DNS provider is blocking. So I can see each of the requests here what are the block list and what are the resolved list. Here I accessed GitHub. It answered like, yeah, GitHub is accessed, this URLs is being accessed with this client IP, with this client IP. So any client using their system, they will have one IP, either private or public. So it will be listed like with who is accessing what. So it will query the log here. If you go to the long term data, here you can see like 2 days data. So today data is this much only. Top list, if you want to see like today's top list, it will show like top domain, visited domain, top blog domain, and top client. So if you want to remove this local host from here, top client being displayed here, so what you can do, you can do in this set, you can go in the setting side, and in the API side you can add it here. So now you can see the local host will not be displayed. So total request I have made 375. So currently my network, my home network is protected with the ads and trackers. I will not get any ads and tracker because of this uh, I hold DNS. If you have any questions or query, you can comment on the video, and if you have any queries, you can put comment regarding your questions and all. So I will try to explain if you have any doubt and all in this video. Thanks for watching.